Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data and picking a visual direction. Backup photos and enable cloud sync so you can experiment freely. Once done, install a lightweight launcher and an icon pack that matches your chosen palette, then set a high contrast or minimal wallpaper to anchor the look. Make sure to tweak home grid and gesture settings so icons sit neatly. These first moves shape the aesthetic foundation and reduce rework later. Once your launcher and icons are in place, refine the details that sell the style. Add matching widgets and resize them for rhythm on the home screen. You should adjust the system accent and font to keep contrast and legibility. This is why a unified palette matters. Then, slow down or speed up animations and tweak icon padding so transitions feel intentional. These layered adjustments create cohesion. Take time to test several combinations before. To finish, lock in your choices by exporting the launcher theme or creating a backup profile so you can restore this aesthetic quickly. Make sure to monitor battery and performance. Some widgets or live wallpapers can drain power, so swap to static assets if needed. If layouts shift or icons disappear after updates, restore your backup or clear the launcher's cache and reapply the icon pack. Doing this solves most issues and preserves the look you built.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.